Hi, I'm Glyn from Glyn's English Online, and I just wanted to share with you a little something that's just arrived in the post. You can probably see I've had a little look already, but I'm quite excited, so I thought I would share it with you. Okay then, so let's move over to the desk camera and we'll see what's inside. So over here you can see we've got the box and it opens up nicely, and inside we've got a special thank you card and also a nice little message at the top, enjoy, and it's beautifully packaged. And we have, amongst all this fantastic card that my children are going to be so excited to get, a little box. It's like a Russian doll. You open one and inside is another one. Okay then, so inside the little box is a little pack, and inside the little pack we have some business cards. Where's my camera? Okay then, so you can see we're a real business. Our classes are open, we're online, and we're ready to go. And one of the boxes has fallen on the floor. So, yes, we're online. We've got different social accounts. We've got the website, glinsenglish.online. And now you can go online to the website, read information, and you can actually book your classes. We're taking bookings from today. I've got my first classes in a couple of hours' time, and it's super exciting. So, now I've got the cards. Now we're a real business. The classes are started, the computer's built, the video cameras and the lights are working. We're ready. So come along, visit the website, glinsenglish.online, and book your class today. Okay, talk to you again soon. Bye for now.